of the Lehigh Valley, which is the three cities of Allentown, Bethlehem, and Easton. The area is a very heavy German immigration from the 17th century. A lot of place names, family names. There are a lot of people with German ancestry in this area. So this is really Pennsylvania Dutch country. When friends come to visit or family from Germany, they laugh at me because they think this looks like Germany. I mean, the rolling hills, the forest, the place names doesn't sometimes feel like you've never really moved away. Coming to this orchard, I think about 10-15 years. And this was on my quest to find locally grown produce.
There's 30 acres of apples. It was an orchard when I bought it in '87. The idea on these would be to sell as many fresh market as we can.
I buy locally because I really want to support like the local farmers. They work so very hard. Eating what's in season and with fresh ingredients, I think my German background kind of shaped me, and now it's also catching on in the US, which is great. This whole locavore, seasonal eating. I adapted to what's available because I feel like when you cook German in the United States, it should also be like relatable for people, so you don't call for ingredients that are really exotic. These are apples that have been just picked from those trees, so I think it doesn't get any fresher than that. So this apple is called Pixie Crunch, and I have to say I'd never had it before today, and it's really delicious. It's very juicy and tart. The best apple you can get, at least around here. It's one of those apples where you don't need anything else. If you want to have this for dessert, that's it.